Good day everyone and welcome to the MeetGet Minute. My name is Pierre Legrand and I'm going to demonstrate to you today the quick searching functionality within PDM. Currently you'll notice I've got this LP gas grill assembly, and in my columns I've got material and vendor. You can also see that from my bill of materials. But what I would like to go and do is I would like to do a quick search of my materials and my vendors. And the nice thing now new in 2020 is the multiple operators that are available in the quick searching functionality. So the three main operators that you can use is and, or, and not. So with that you can do different types of searching. Like for example, if I would like to go and see all of my material that is stainless, I can go and search for it in this new search bar. You'll notice as well as you can go and set up 5 different variables that can be a combination of the searching functionality. So as an example, I can maybe just go and search for stainless steel, and it will return all of the types of parts that actually contain a material stainless steel. The same will also apply as if I maybe want to go and search for that vendor cogs. It'll return all of the parts and the files that contain the vendor cogs. But the nice thing is we can set it up either for single variables or for all variables. Meaning with that is I can use an operation like show me everything that is from cogs and stainless. And this will now return the values for the vendors and the materials as a combination of them. And like I've mentioned that we can use it other operators like or not. I'm going to change this now to not. That will now only return 2 results of files that is from the vendor cogs but is not stainless steel. And then just the last one is the or operator. I can put in or. This will now return even ones that are from the vendor cogs, but the material might not be defined, or the other way around where there is actually a material stainless and the vendor is maybe not defined, or even if it was a different vendor. So that's just a quick MeetGet minute for you. Please go and subscribe to our YouTube channel and you must enjoy your day further. Thank you very much. Cheers.